How to create a Snapchat account on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can create yourself a new account of Snapchat in your PC. So without any further ado, let us get started. Open up any of your web browser and at the top search bar type in Snapchat sign up. Then click on to sign up for Snapchat. As you do so, you will land onto this page. In here, simply type in your first name, your last name, type in what you want your username to be, your email address, and your password. Make sure your password is 8 characters, select your birthday, and click on to sign up and accept. Now at the next page, simply type in the code that has been sent to your email address and click on to next. As you enter your code, and just like so, this is how you create yourself a new Snapchat account from your PC. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.